Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into SLP once again, and we're seeing some lovely good green candles with Bitcoin as well. And please join me into the Discord if you guys need some quick updates on the market or some text in order for you to not miss out into anything. Yeah, now here we are with this SLP, and it seems like you broke out of the head and shoulder. I'm gonna show you. This was your left shoulder, this is your head, your right shoulder, and what are you doing? You're actually going back to retest the neckline, because whenever you break out of a pattern, you're going up to retest the neckline. So one more thing is, I noticed that there's this big resistance line right there. I'm gonna drop this resistance line right here, and it seems like the prices are actually finding a very big resistance up nearly this price level of 0.31. Okay, 31. So if you do see SLP going to 31, okay, but right now I'm going to actually tell you one more thing. Patterns do get invalidated, and it's very important to actually point out a bullish cross as well that can potentially be happening for SLP, and you completely go to destroy the patterns that we're making, like the ABC corrections. Anything can happen. A coin can just get bullish, and we don't know why they get bullish. But the thing is that in order for it to actually to go up and for you to buy, we always make confirmations. Now there is a bullish cross, very tiny bullish cross happening right now in here, that might restrict the prices to even go down. That's one more thing to consider. But then again, the EMAs are lagging indicators, and they cannot be depended upon. The best thing that are actually good is chart themselves. One thing is very clear: you had the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. You've already made a clear break to the downside. You are now going back for the retest. Now the best scenario for me to actually say that there's a chance for SLP to continue, yes, it can continue, is you go up near the 33, because you're destroying this downtrend, and you're getting above this neckline. Do you see that? And potentially destroy the B wave, okay, which I was saying that A, B, and the C. So for me, I'm gonna tell you a position where it's better to actually start to flip bullish once again, because that's when the downtrend is going to be abandoned. It's going to be at the 0.34, 0.034. So if you actually that's going to be better, because you're making more confirmations. So all you do is go up to the 0.347, and you actually move sideways and potentially backtest this area and hold it, and then you're going to be moving to the upside. Then the down view is going to be kind of destroyed completely, and that's going to be a nice, good, positive progress to the upside. And that's it for today's SLP update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.